Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Na na na. Na na na. Calm outside, but me core ignite. It blend light. Silent grind in a early dawn. Before yawn. Me wake before the sun arise. Clear eyes. No applause when me lace me shoes. No excuse. Discipline burn like steady flame. Not for fame. Every habit shape me fade slow. Brick by brick me grow. Me not depend on motivation wave. That slave. Me build routine strong like chain. True rain. When wood low me still execute. That's the root. Fire in me chest but me calm face. Steady mace. Fire in the discipline. Slow. Burn bright. Day and night. Fire in the discipline. No delay. Own way. Me train mind like warrior heart. Strong heart. Comfort whisper soft and sweet. But me compete. Me choose long term gain over quick thrill. Iron will. Every sacrifice had one more layer. Prayer. Every struggle build backbone firm. Lesson learned. When result finally shine clear. Be sincere. Talent fade if willpower weak. Strength seek. Fire in the discipline. Pure control, body and soul. Fire in the discipline. Rise above, build from low. Why you flame? Why you flame? Lost in name. CM. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Na na na. Na 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 na. Not every fire need big explosion. Silent motion. Some flames glow without loud claim. Her name. Me build me legacy slow and real. Still feel me not chase spotlight player. Me prepare every action plant one seed down. Future crown. Quiet flame, warm those near. Disappear fear. No flashy spark, just steady heat. Complete. Me impact measured in lives me touch. That much. Legacy of the quiet flame. No game. Legacy of the quiet flame. Still the same. need headline for validate. Me create consistency louder than boast. Solid post. Me let time testify me rule. Full soul. If me gone tomorrow morn, no scorn. Me know me light never waste. Well placed, flame pass on like touch relay. New day, true fire leave warmth behind. In every mind, legacy of the quiet flame. Strong frame, legacy of the quiet flame. Long na na na. Oh, na na na. Face firm like mountain wall. Stand tall. Heart warm though the world get cold. Pure gold. Me learn early life not play. Hard way. So me build me mind like fortress gate. Against gate. Stone mind block negativity, lifty wave. Stay brave. But me now freeze me empathy core. That's war. Soft heart keep me human still. Free will. Me protect kindness like rare gem. Over them. Stone mind. Soft heart, perfect blend till the end. Stone mind, stone mind, stone mind. Soft heart, strong and wise, clear eyes. Me respond calm when anger rise. Spliff spark, thoughts drift slow, river flow, night sky wide like open page. Timeless age, me inhale deep, exhale doubt, clear out, mind expand like ocean tide. No hide, herb help me settle restless pace. In a space, me not chase, I feel lose me brown. Balance sound, meditation in a every breath. Life depth, smoke curl up like question mark. Spark, herbal meditation flow, calm and wide from inside. Herbal meditation flow, steady stream, living dream. Me reason bout the part me choose. Win or lose, every puff remind me pause. Natural laws, stillness louder than the crowd shout. No doubt, they feel connection earth to sky. Third eye, past and future meeting low. Show me your peace, not passive. Peace is power. Sacred hour, slow breath, carry every truth. Eternal youth, herbal meditation flow, mind aligned, divine. Herbal meditation flow, soul secure, pure. Smoke fade, but lessons stay, guided away.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, 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 ay.
Morning mist rise off the ridge, cover valley, creek and bridge. Me ear far echoes in the breeze, sound of courage that never cease. Me climb the path with steady stride, feel mountain spirit at my side. Strong heartbeat echo through the stones, power deep within my bones. No shadow make me lose me way. Me rise boldly every day. Hilltop wisdom guide me climb, give me strength through space and time. Me pass the cedar, tall and wise, branches reaching to the skies. Forest whisper tales of pride, teach me how to walk with guide. Me hear my pulse match nature's tone, know me never walk alone. Through every step me gain new sight, hold firm, live upright. Lion of the hills stand strong, roar of truth, ancient
back. Move with patience, never shock. Careful steps through rugged land. Wisdom in his gentle hand. Village children greet the dawn. Hopeful future being drawn. Me stand tall on sacred stone. Feel the lion in me own. Courage in the air, strength everywhere. Walk brave, walk true. Spirit carry you. No fear, no doubt. Only faith inside and out. Lion of the hills, stand strong. Roar of truth, ancient song. Guard the valley, guard the gate. Lift the people, elevate. Lion of the hills, brave and pure. Hold the spirit, strong and sure. Lead the path where justice lives. Show the world what heart can give. One, ay ay ay. One, ay ay ay. One. When the moon rise over stone, me feel the lion in me own. Strength remain true night and day. Guide me on my righteous way. I am. I am.
Ay, ay, ay. Meditate and elevate your man. Me hear the people chant tonight. Truth shining bright. One rhythm, one soul, one way. Jah guide we every day. Me stand in the crowd so wide. Love on every side. Me feel the beat of unity. Jah melody free. Me no care about fame or name. Only the righteous flame. One voice for the nation. Your vibration. Me see the warrior stand strong. Me hear the ancient song. From Africa to the world, freedom unfurled. Jah children spread the sound, roots profound. Each lyric plant the seed of Jah creed. One voice, one song, me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song, together we belong. Love for every man, Jah master plan. Me feel the drum beat deep inside, spirit collide. Me see the elders sway, praise Jah every day. Music heal the pain, wash away the chain. Me chant for the youth them rise, open them eyes. Each note a revolution, pure solution. Jah message carry far, like a shooting star. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Jah always near. No division, no fight. One light tonight. One voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song, together we belong. Love for every man, Jah master plan. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song, together we belong. Love for every man, Jah master plan. When the stage light fade away, Jah music stay. One voice, one song, forever bound.
life will bright. Stars watch cover silent sights. Me spark small fame, no crown, no show. Just reason flow. Me talk with brethren, soft and real. No mask, no shield. Truth come easy when he go rest. Hard pass, every test. Herb slow down the heavy talk. Let that walk. Every word choose careful tone. Cause silence got weight of its own. Me ask question, me never ask about motive, fear and mass. Why man rush fi prove them right, but nah sit with them at night. Stars above, now hurry none. Still them shine till work done. Me learn patience from the sky. No lead fit try. Reason under stars so clear. Every doubt disappear. Reason under stars come and be. Truth not sleep. Me laugh about things me used to fight. Some battles wrong, some right. Growth change lens me see true. Same scene, different view. Herb now magic, that escape. It just scrape away the fake. What left must face the light. Wrong or right. Me see tomorrow not guaranteed. So my mind what me plant, what me seed. What I seed action to. Everything return to you. Me choose so over fast. Choose deep over vast. Stars still shine when convo done. Reason run. Ash drop quiet pon the ground. No judgment in the soul. Universe not show carpet. It just me flow. Reason on the stars so clear. Every doubt disappear. Reason on the stars come and be. Should not sleep. When night fade and dawn draw near, me carry clarity, not fear. Reason on the stars remain. Me liberate.
Na ganja and Rasta man, reggae man. Me hear the river call me name. Wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong. Carry me soul along. Me walk through valley low. Still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy upon me chest. Jah give me rest, the current led me home. No man walk alone. Every drop of memory, freedom energy. Me see the children play by shore. Laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze. Set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace. Peace upon my face. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. Just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear. Truth conquer fear. Me wash my sorrow clean. New life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song. Where we all belong. Me Dive into the stream of light, darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew, just shine through. Me chant for every nation, pure salvation. River deep and wide, mirror the sky. Jah call me near, no more fear. River of freedom flow, carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea, Jah spirit set we free. River of freedom strong, guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Yeah. When we reach the ocean wide, rest by Jah's side. River flow eternally, set all spirits free.
Na 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 na. Soft breeze roll through the valley side. Melody rise like a calming tide. Every heartbeat find a gentle flow, guiding spirit where the peace must go. The morning dew rest on the land. Nature whisper like a healing, and fragrance of hope drift in the air. Show the people say love still they here. Old memories fade as new ones grow. Plant them seeds and watch them glow. Hills echo warm, clear and bright. Draw the weary closer to light. Me ear drum knock under the shade, calling souls where the system fade. Simple moments bring truth alive. Teach mankind to unite and thrive. No man stand alone in this place. Every smile leave a shining trace. Roots unite like branch and tree. Build foundation for unity. River of harmony carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain. Bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure. Guide we forward, soul secure. Me watch the children dance on the shore, full of dreams, wanting more. Hope rise high in every laugh. Split the darkness clean in half. Night may come but light remain. Keep the people through joy and strain. Voices blend like colors bright, painting peace across the night. Every corner feel the wave. Set the timid heart for brave. The elders chant wisdom wide. Lift the nation side by side. Hold firm, stay strong. Harmony guide we all along. No fear, no doubt. Let the inner light come out. River of harmony carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain. Bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure. Guide we I still low. Me like the herb, watch smoke rise low. Cityscape, but me mind awake. Every jar of truth me take. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. All roots whisper, ancient sound. No rush time, me move real calm. Urban unlike healing balm. Babylon shout loud and fast, but me nah live in them forecast. Me breathe deep, let worries go. Smoke curl soft, nice and slow. Me see them chase shiny things, but peace nah come from diamond rings. Me learn more from tree and sun than them talk we never done. Every puff open me sight, show me wrong, show me right. No escape, nah hide away, just clarity in a grave. Smoke rise slow, clear me head, all truth echo where elders said. Smoke rise slow, drift and lean, life makes sense in between. Me think about struggle, think about pain, think how joy come after rain. Herb remind me fi stay kind, no poison grow inside me mind. Me no need throne, me no need crown. Me kingdom here when sun go down. One chalice full, heart stay light. Reason with stars in the night. The see the youth them tense and tight. We're too loud, too much fight. Me tell him breathe, slow it down. Wisdom growing, ego drawn. No man pure, no man clean, but every soul got space between. Smoke teach patience, teach respect, show direction. Misdirect, asphalt gentle for me on. Like message me understand. Nothing rush, nothing force. Life flow best when followed for. Smoke rise slow, clear me head, all truth echo where elders said. Smoke rise slow, drift and lean, life makes sense in between. When I fade on morning show, we keep it pace, me soul already know. Smoke rise slow, whoa. Smoke rise slow, whoa. And night fade on morning show, we keep it pace, me soul already know. Smoke rise slow, they soon stay. Oh, carry this into the day.
Free the people and the animals, yeah man.
Smoke arise from Zion Peak. Fire speak what word can't speak. Blazing torch of holy flame. Fire call Jah mighty name. Darkness flee before the light. Mountain fire burn so bright. Every stone begin to glow. Fire teach what we must know. Shepherds stand with staff in hand. See the fire cleanse the land. Thunder roar and voices sing. Fire crown the rightful king. Babylon fortress melt away. the sacred hill. Feel the fire, spirit fill. Heart ignite with holy song. Fire guide them all along. Eagle circle, drums resound. Fire shake the solid ground. Glorious blaze, eternal sign. Fire prove Jala divine. Even night cannot conceal. Fire of Zion strong and real. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall. Fire of truth consume them all. Every ember, spark of grace. Fire of mercy fill the place. Glowing bright from age to age. Fire of Jah rewrite the page. Generations bow in awe. Fire fulfill the holy law. Everlasting flame, so pure. Fire of truth will still endure. Torch eternal, shining guide. Fire of Zion will not hide. Sacred flame, both strong and right. Fire of Jah destroy the night. Burn, burn, holy flame. Glorify Jah mighty name. Rise, rise, mountain glow. Fire of Zion overflow. Fire on the mountain blazing high. Light of freedom fill the sky. Never fading, never gone. Fire of Zion still live on. Torch eternal, bold and free. Fire declare the victory. Fire declare.
Na na na. Ganja and Zion reggae. Oh yeah. Me rise pon morning breeze. Heart at ease. Jah whisper in me ear. Fear no fear. Oh. Me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call. Me spirit roar. Me voice declare. Truth everywhere. Oh, me see the wicked build them throne pon people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain. Spread the pain. Oh, but me no bow, me no crawl. Me hear Jah call. Lion heart within me chest. Me manifest. Oh, we see the sufferer in a street. No shoes pon feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread. Still them share. Oh, me share me herb, me share me song. Right the wrong, me chant for justice, chant for peace. Babylon cease, yeah. Lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong, roar feed the people, roar feed the land. By Jah hand. Oh, lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore. Oh, me walk through fire, yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth, fi know them worth. Rise from earth. Oh, them call me rebel, call me wild, but Jah child, lion spirit guide me to Hear the drums from long ago, still them flow. Ancestral power in me blood, like river flood. Oh, them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through storm and flame. In Jah name, oh, me no fear no king, no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire, can't hide. It reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love. Send message above. Every roar a secret call. Unite we all. Yeah. Lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong. Roar for the people, roar for the land. By Jah hand. Lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor, forevermore. You know, lion of truth, roar again. Wash the pain, freedom make go through the plane, break the chain. Oh, oh. Me rest me mind in Jordan. Peace again. When the world forget the way, me still pray. Oh, yeah. Lion of truth, roar, eternal flame. Ay, ay, ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pan river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown pan her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. King Ital chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She a the queen of me temple, fire of me night. She like me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She read scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor, start to end. Many woman me see, but she stand alone. With lioness, heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Her vibe more rich than gem and stone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She a the queen of me temple, reason of me song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame. And me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal but live low key. Speak soft but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She a the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah, she a roots gal,
Rasta Marcus is so high, man. Hear the thunder roll so deep. Voice of Jah awake the sleep. Shake the mountain, shake the land. Thunder sound the righteous hand. Babylon tremble, fear the call. Thunder break them system wall. Every clap a prophecy. Thunder roar eternally. Children stop and listen clear. Thunder say Jah always near. Elder lift them hands so high. Thunder echo across the sky. Not of terror, not of hate. Thunder seal Jah righteous fate. Every roll a holy flame. Thunder glorify Jah name. Desert quake and forest cry. Thunder echo far and high. Ocean wave and rivers flow. Thunder let the nations know. No false king can hide away. Thunder of Jah here fi stay. Generation hear the sound. Thunder shake the battleground. Prophet chant and priest proclaim. Thunder speak Jah mighty name. Babylon weapon can compete. Thunder call make truth complete. Every ear must hear the sign. Thunder voice is pure divine. From creation till the end. Thunder guide the foe and friend. Flame of fire, flash of light. Thunder break the darkest night. No corruption, no deceit. Thunder guide the righteous feet. Everlasting, strong and true. Thunder sound for me and you. Eternal voice, eternal song. Thunder roar the whole day long. Roll, roll, mighty sound. Shake the sky and shake the ground. Thunder call, no man can hide. Thunder voice, fi Zion guide. Thunder of Jah, whole and free. Sound of truth for you and me. Shake the nation, break the chain. Thunder voice forever reign. Eternal calling, strong and sure. Thunder of Jah shall endure. Ay, 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 ay. Smoke a skunk with Marcus, yeah, man. In the morning, do so sweet. Garden eternal at Jah feet. Every flower, every tree. Sing a song of unity. Babylon desert can't destroy. Garden bloom with Jah joy. Every root a sacred flame. Garden praise Jah holy name. Children plant and harvest grow. Garden teach what we must know. Elders sit and share the word. Garden song of Zion heard. Not in hatred, not in greed. Garden give the righteous seed. garden keep the people well. No corruption, no despair. Garden show Jah everywhere. Everlasting, pure and strong. Garden chant Jah holy song. Morning sun and evening star. Garden eternal, near and far. From the root to canopy. Garden shine eternally. Generations yet unborn. Garden blooming early morn. Eternal dwelling, strong and free. Garden guide humanity. Grow, grow, holy seed. Garden give there its need. Rise, rise, flower bright. Garden shine in Jah light. Garden eternal, pure and true. Bloom forever for me and you. Every season strong and free. Garden of Zion, unity. Forever blooming, never gone. Garden sing Jah holy song.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh yeah, yeah. Early down breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River soft like ancient song. Guiding me spirit steady and strong. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye. Early dawn breeze kiss me skin. Cool vibration drifting in. River soft like ancient song. Guiding me spirit steady and strong. Me walk by the bank where truth reside. Hear distant drums echo worldwide. Footsteps follow the natural beat. Wisdom rise from beneath me feet. No chain can bind a peaceful mind. The current gentle, pure, refined. Every ripple tell me hold the line. Better day sure, come in time. Me sit on a rock and breathe again. Wash off burden, wash off pain. Sunlight dance on the water face. Nature remind me about Jah grace. Birds fly high in perfect sync. Teach me deeper ways fitting. In every glimmer, me see hope grow. Flowing free like the river flow. Golden river flow. Carry me soul. Lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day. Show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear. Wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true. Let Jah light shine through. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. The water whispers stories old. Tales of courage, brave and bold. Ancestors chant through breeze and air. Tell me always to stay aware. Me listen deep to the message strong. Every lesson help me move along. Flowing wisdom shape me path. Cool me spirit, ease me wrath. Me see fishermen cast them line. Living simple, feeling fine. Village children laugh and play. Blessed presence fill the day. Harmony rise like natural fire, lifting every heart higher. Me give thanks for all me see. Golden river set me free. No rush, no fight, just calm within the light. Every current guide the heart, every ripple play a part. Bless the journey, bless the flow, teach me everywhere to grow. Golden river flow, carry me soul, lead me to a higher goal. Guide me steps through night and day, show me love in every way. Golden river flow, wide and clear, wash away doubt and fear. Hold me steady, keep me true, let your light shine through. Why, ay, 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 ay. Why, ay, ay. Why? When the sun fade low and slow, me still hear the river glow. Peace remain inside me heart, flow with life from end to start. Why, yeah. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Why, why.
Reggae upside them man. Gold so pure yet spirit made, crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head, guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride, crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame, every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line, crown eternal, crown divine. It mark the child of righteous ways, keep the faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock, crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew, crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophets old, it tell the story love has told. It guide the people through the flame, keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright, crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come, crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear, it says stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak, crown of Zion hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace, it make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rest, crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it light the road, it lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign, crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire, crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong, crown of Zion all life long. No gold of man, no earthly fame, crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day, crown of Zion light the way.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion is the reggae king, yeah, man.
Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what they need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace, welcome to Jah holy place. It shine with pearl, it shine with flame, every gate a holy name. It call the children home to stay, guide the tribe along the way. No sword, no chain can bar the road. Gates of Zion is the load. Every step a chant of peace, every turn a sweet release. It's open wide both night and day, never close, no man can say. It guard the path, it guard the song, keep the people moving strong. It echo sound of drum and lyre, burning bright with holy fire. Every gate a blessing you, open arms for me and you. Me walk through gate and lift me head, hear the words the prophet said. It call me heart to live upright, guide me steps in Jah true light. No fear inside, no tears remain, only love we heal the pain. Every stone a prayer so true, gates of Zion shine for you. When the morning star arise, gates of Zion paint the skies. It's open wide for all mankind, bless the soul and heal the mind. Forever open, never close, from the root the blessing grows. Every nation, every song, gates of Zion bring we home. Come one, come all, gates of Zion never fall. No lock, no chain can close the way. Zion open night and day. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace, welcome to Jah holy place. From dawn to dusk, from start to end, gates of Zion always friend.
Na 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 na. Zion and ganja, yeah, man.
Nightfall come, the world so still. Moon of Zion shine Jah will. Silver glow upon the land. Moonlight blessing by Jah hand. Babylon darkness can't prevail. Moonlight guide the righteous trail. Every beam a holy flame. Moon reflect Jah holy name. Children rest and mothers pray. Moonlight bless the righteous way. Elders chant beneath the glow. Moon of Zion, let them know.
shadow, not in fear. Moonlight blessing always near. Every cycle strong and true. Moonlight guide both me and you. Ocean tide obey the call. Moonlight blessing shine for all. Traveler lost upon the sea. Moonlight set his spirit free. Every dream of vision clear. Moon of Zion always near. Generations gaze above. Moonlight blessing full of love. Through the valley, through the plain, moonlight shining, joy and pain. Babylon weapon can't destroy. Moonlight blessing Jah employ. Every star a witness stand. Moon reflect the holy plan. Endless cycle pure and bright. Moon of Zion guard the night. Prophecy and poet write. Moon inspire Jah light. Every creature small and great. Moonlight bless the righteous faith. From creation till today. Moonlight guide the holy way. Eternal promise never cease. Moon of Zion shine in peace.